Hi, this is Kylie Koo. Welcome to my studio and welcome to week 38 of creating a positivity deck. And the prompt for this week is love. Now, I'm not referring necessarily to romantic love, and indeed I'm not referring this week to the people or the things that I might love. It's more about the act of love itself. And what do I mean by that? Well, as soon as I looked at the prompt for this week and saw it was love, I immediately thought of heart and how so many things are heart-centred. And I remembered reading some time ago that the ancients believed that the soul was contained within the heart, and that our morals were contained within the heart. That was really what kind of guided us morally. And so I thought, yes, I can see why love and heart are part and parcel, why they are so closely connected, and why I might be therefore drawn to making some sort of heart. But as I was making my card, I was starting to think about that feeling of love, and almost thinking that it feels like a sense in the way that we can touch things, smell things, hear things. We also love. And, I thought, is it a sense of some kind? I don't think it would be formally defined as one, but I just kind of thought it's one of those things that's intangible in so many ways. But I thought too about what it brings, about hope, faith, passion, beliefs, all of those things. And again connected to many of my cards from the previous weeks. So anyway, in making my card, I put down just a piece of printer paper. It had a light tea dye on it. And then I take this Naples yellow and I'm just going to cover this over. And I wanted this to be a very textured finish. So yes, in terms of love this week, I'm not thinking about the people that I love or the things that I love. I'm just thinking about that intangible thing that is love. But there again, it's tangible in the way that we perhaps carry out acts of love, the things that we do for other people. And I got to thinking that, love is both about giving and receiving, and it's unlimited in both respects. So my gratitude this week is simply for that thing that is love. That thing that I can't necessarily describe terribly well. And I'll come on in future weeks to talk about things that I love and that I have gratitude for. It also struck me that there's both strength and fragility in love. And again, that brought me back to thinking about the yin and yang and the balance. So this week, I would invite you to think about what love means for you in that sense. So I'm just continuing with my card here, trying to get a textured feel to it. And you'll see in a moment that I go to dry it, and actually, as I was drying it, my mind was wandering, and I either got the heat tool too close to the paper, or I left it on for too long, but it ended up with a bubble in it. So I have to kind of take the card apart again. It's just a top layer of that printer paper. Part of it still sticks, but another part I have to lift off. There it's there. And the other thing that I do this week is I stick down a leaf, because I'd seen a leaf that was almost heart-shaped, and you'll see me look at that later on, just deciding which side I want to use. So as always, or not as always, but as I've done in some previous weeks, I'm going to just put the rest of this to music while I create my card. So I hope you've enjoyed this week's video as I ponder the thing that is love. I hope you'll join me again next week, and as always, I thank you for watching. Bye for now.